Guys, Tommy has a baby. Where is this baby now? Noon, nung andito ako, na-penalty kami mga twice. Nakabayad kami. Kasi dahil... so cute.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, everything. Love? You're done? Okay. Almost afternoon na. It's 11:48. So, good morning, everything. So, aalis po tayo. Nag-i-edit lang ako kanina, kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Wala po tayong mga, meron akong ginagawa sa laptop. And, yun. So, alis tayo. Punta tayong travel lang tayo doon sa isang bahay. Maghakot ng gamit, something, and then, ito guys, ito yung damit na sobrang liit ko pa. Kasya pa siya, pero ang sikip. Mag-jacket naman ako, so okay lang. Mag-coat pala. So, we are ready to go. And, yun. Okay. 50. Okay na. Give the dog also a thing, eh? Oh, you're still drinking? Hello, where's the rest of my battery, hon?
I don't know where all the batteries are. Why would I know that?
Oh my god, guys. My GoPro battery, guys, are missing again. Yung mga battery ko sa GoPro, nawawala na. Baka andito. Iwan ko talaga, nawawala yung mga battery ko. Flippity fish, it's a pillow now. Look at this, guys, ha? It's a pillow, oh. What is that pillow? You use that as a pillow? Your toy? Oh, Dada loves you so much.
Oh, man.
He's so cute. Pillow. Oh my god, he makes...
You are such a cute little man.
Oh my god, you love your son so much.
Yeah.
You do. No one?
Okay, just pull up the box.
God.
Oh, perfect. That's what say, yes.
What is the mailing thing?
This is hybrid or fully remote. It's still in. It's in no regular schools back. You're either going to do hybrid, which is like, you go one day a week into school and on your computer, or just on your computer all the time. What bullshit.
I'm hungry, guys. What's in here?
Crackers. Watch where you're driving. I'm gonna drive up there just to see what the hell is up there that they're selling.
The house. You don't see it?
No. It looks like a drive that goes all the way up the hill.
It's a small house. Tommy's getting gas. Kasi wala na palang gas. Hindi man wala na. Meron pa pero konti na lang. So I need more gas. Gutom ako eh. Iwan ko na gutom. Wala kasi akong lunch eh. Ayan guys. Tumaas. Grabe. Tumaas talaga yung gasoline ngayon. Nag-ano siya. It was 1 something before. 155. Ngayon 265, 269, maging $3 per gallon. Takbo lang si Tami sa Burger King. Burger King sa ano to? Burger King ba to? Hindi man ito Burger King. Oh yeah, Burger King, yeah. So takbo lang si Tami doon. Kasi gutom na ako, guys. Wala pala akong kain. Hindi pa pala ako nag-lunch. It's 1:46 na. And yun. Gusto ko lang may makain like fries. Masaya na ako sa fries at saka sa ganong mga fries. Yung burger sa bahay na lang pagdating doon. So, anyway guys, so Tommy get a burger. And again, oh my god, what is that? Looks so yummy.
Jalapeno.
Huh?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Oh. Okay.
Not very jalapeno-y.
No, it's not. Guys, ang daming police, and then ang nakikita ko, yung mga dinadakip nila is yung mga small truck. I don't understand. Over there, na ano namin, na nalabyan. We're here. We're here. Ang ginawa. Okay, so I'm looking kung ano yung dadalhin sa bahay. Ito siya, dalhin sa bahay kasi gusto ni Tami. Lahat na lang dalhin sa bahay kasi gusto ni Tami. And this one, Tami keep this. I don't really want to bring this. But it's a good pot. But I don't know. I have too much already. Let's go to Tammy's bedroom. Han? We have to look for garbage to throw out. What is that? Oh my god. Who's drinking coffee here? It's just you, right? Okay, so let's find stuff to bring home. So, I think dalhin to sa bahay. Kasi gusto ni Tami ilagay yan sa basement, air conditioning. And oh, this one, alam nyo ba guys, yung palang ano ni Tami guys, yung mga movie na mga sikat na old vintage na pala siya guys, yung 20 years above, kung yun na katanda yung mga popular na mga movie, 20 years above, vintage na pala siya. So ngayon tinitignan ko yung kung anong meron kay Tami. Ang mahal pala. Alam nyo ba ito? Tinitignan ko. Ang mahal, guys. Yung mga sa mga iba't ibang presyo. May mga ibang presyo, pero may presyo talaga siya. So, yun siya. Ghostbuster. Ganito siya. Naka-sealed pa talaga siya, guys. Oh. Mahal pala talaga siya. Itong mga camera ba, nakakatakot kasi sumusunod sa galaw. This is Biyanan's mga damit ni Biyanan. Ito, itatapon na daw ito ni kapatid ni Tami. Cortina. Cortina, itatapon niya. Mga ganitong cortina. Ayaw ko nang mag-ano kasi ang dami ko ng cortina kasi. Ito, this is good. May mga bag kung ilagay yung mga damit, gano'n. Isip lang. Kinikip niya yan dyan. Kay Biyanan, ang daming gamit ni Biyanan talaga. Ito, oh. Pang-clean sa blinds. Ang daming gamit sa kapatid ni Tami. Hindi pa alam mo ano yung gagawin niya. As in. At hindi ko alam kung ano yung dadalhin ngayon at alin yung itatapon. Okay, guys. Mag-ano lang ako. Where there is wheels, like in that bin.
So you can roll it.
Huh?
So you can roll it.
Kailangan ko na itong i-ano. Ito, there's no key. Garbage. Do you have a garbage bag over there? I don't see nothing here. Nothing. Oh no, that's the hard one. Some of them Angelo put it here, we don't even know. I put the insulating area. Something like that.
Some tax favor.
This one, I've been using 2018. We don't get any bill here like this. City credit card.
No.
Ito siya, dalhin ko sa sarili. Guys, Tommy has a baby. Where is this baby now?
I don't know whose kid is it.
It's Thomason.
Okay.
It's not your baby from the other woman?
Not like me.
So, pamangkin niya to, guys. Diba? Nakaano pa siya. Baby talaga ang dumi-dumi nito. Ah, ang cute ni Tami, no? Kung magkaanak kami, bahan. If we have our kid, han, you're gonna be like this, han. Happy. Not your son, Hobbs, okay? A real baby, please. Han?
Hobbs is cuter.
Seriously, Han, you see that, honey? Seriously, you just did see that? Did I hear you say that?
There you go.
Han? You think if we have a real human baby, you would be so happy like this, Han?
Yeah,
Huh?
I do, but I gave up on that a long time ago.
You give up long time ago? You give up. My husband give up, guys. No, eh? Tinitignan ko na lang ito, guys. Ini-imagine ko na lang na anak namin yan. Ano? He give up naman daw, eh. Yung sasakyan namin puno na. I'm gonna tell Andrea to donate this, okay? This one, guys. This is a nice one, but it's a pin in the neck. I can send this to the Philippines, Han? Han?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, this one ba? Toaster. You know what? I will send this. Can I send this? Han?
I guess.
My sister can use this. My mother, guys, I cannot give my parents like this. They will freak out and they don't have any clue and they're afraid. They're even afraid to use a butin. Hindi butin. You know, that regular cooking thing that there is a container, gasoline. What is that, honey? Like the one that we have, propane gas. They have it like the regular cooking thing in the Philippines that you buy a propane gas. Oh my God, my mother freak out. He doesn't even know when he turn it on, like click, he have to jump far away from it because he is so afraid. She is so afraid, and both of them. So yun, kaya hindi nila ginagamit yung sa amin kasi takot yung ina ko. And ito na lang, ibigay ko to sa sister ko. Oven. This is oven and toaster, right, Han?
Yes.
So my sister can bake like chicken. They have to do it. They have to learn. I'll send this. Okay, next time, Saturday, I'll carry that. We don't have space. Puno na yung sasakyan. And this one, this is ice maker. We'll stay here until summer, until we're finally here. Because we will make ice. Because this one is, there's no ice here, right? There's no ice maker. No?
There is.
There is? Okay, this one is garbage. We have one in the house already. So, yan. Oh, my sister would be happy. Irneng! Look, Neng, oh. Oven. You can make a pizza here. You can do pizza here, right? Oh, Tommy bought this and then we don't want it in the house. Because there's so many things already in the house. Wait, you have Oreo over there hiding. I can see from here. When I'm standing over there, I can see. Oh, my Saturday, this is where I'm gonna do kitchen. We don't do any garbage, Han. Because there's no garbage. Your sister is... Sabi pa niya, may garbage doon. Kailangan niyo magpunta. Kayo yung magtapon. Pagdating namin dito, walang basura. At saka yung iba, hindi niya tinatapon. Yung mga ibang klaseng basura. Kasi iba-iba kasi yung basura dito. So, what I'm gonna do is we're going home. Carrying stuff. We just travel here. With the gas expensive. Oh my God, yung gas, guys. The gas is crazy now. Hi, guys. Yun lang yung pinunta namin dito, guys. Yun lang yung pinunta namin dito. Yung kalukuhan ng kapatid ni Tami. May basura daw. Wala naman. I mean, meron ditong basura nilagay niya sa bag. Pero, ang problema kasi, hindi siya totally garbage. Kasi, may botelya na kasali. Itong kapatid kasi ni Tami mahilig i-mix lahat. And then dito naman sobrang stricto yung mag-collect ng garbage na penalty na nga itong silang Tami. Kami, nung andito ako, na penalty kami mga twice. Nakabayad kami. Kasi dahil sa nag-mix-mix yung basura. Dapat kapag regular garbage talaga lang siya, yun lang. And then walang nakahalong botelya. As in, malalaman nila every time na they grab the bag that you put in the curve. Malalaman nila kasi tumitingog na siya ba, mahalata. Dito na siya. Wala. Booger.
Throw this in the back.
Okay.
Throw this on a carb and feed the birds.
Okay. Dinadala namin yung burger. Another tripod. Itong tripod na to is with electric connection. Battery siya. You know, to stabilize the camera. But, alam niyo naman si Tami, yung trabaho niya. Maraming mga kaanik-anik. Dinadala ko din yung heater ni Bianan. May maliit na heater si Bianan. Dinala ko kasi para naman magamit sa bahay. Binili niya ni Tami nung si Bianan is sobrang ginaw. Kahit summer, nagiginawan siya. Ito na naman si Tami, guys. Gutom yung ibon daw. So, yan. Pakain galore. Bibili. Meron na kami mga pagkain sa bahay namin. And then, plus meron. Dubli gastos itong si Tami. Ang bait. Pati ibon, pinakain. Pero, ngayon ko lang siya narinig na sabi niya kanina, nag-give up na daw siya. Kasi marami na nagtatry na talaga kami magkaanak noon, guys. Nagpa-doktor na nga kami dalawa. Pero yun lang, na-surprise ako kanina kasi sabi niya give up na daw siya. Yun yung first time kong narinig siya, sabi niya give up. So okay. I give up naman din long time ago. So yun, nag-give up naman din ako long time ago. Kasi nakakaano din. Nakaka-stress, sakit sa puso. Nakakasakit sa puso.
Why did you take those glue traps?
Huh?
Why did you take those glue traps? Now I have to bring them back.
What glue trap?
The mouse traps. There's mice in the house, that's why I got them there.
You have a lot already in there.
No, you throw them out when it catches a mouse. Look at them. See how happy they are.
Oh, they're so happy, guys. Before I don't even see them, they're there.
Well, we'll see them.
Oh my god, they're so happy, honey. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look how happy they are. Ang dami nila.
So I put them over here because there's so many of them. I think this way.
Naghihintay talaga sila, guys.
Spread it around so they can all eat at the same time.
Yeah, they're so happy. Oh my god. Okay, guys, we are going home. I will see you home. Magdadrive lang ako kasi sobra ding talagang windy. The wind is crazy, han. We're ready? You ready?
I'll see something.
What do you want to see? That's it. That's a good one.
Okay.
Oh, Ginoo ko, Lord. Who you waiting over there? No one is in there. Hi, monkey. Hello. Okay, wait. Go to Dada. You love me more. Oh. What? Huh?
It's hard for me to keep bending down with him on my shoulder.
Tignan nyo naman ito, guys.
Drop it.
Pagka-spoiled na lang. So, andito na kami. Bukas na lang namin yun, guys. Yung kukunin yung gamit na sa sasakyan. Alam nyo, guys, masakit yung ilong ko. May pimples pala yung ilong ko.
You guys are too jumpy.
Look at your son. Oh, my God. Roxy, my God. Ay. Okay guys, so hindi na din kami magluluto. Sabi ko kay Tami, what are we gonna have for dinner now? Burgers, yun ang kakainin namin. And if we want vegetables, meron namang salad. And also, with string beans, broccoli wrap. So, yun na lang yung kainin namin guys. Roxy, stop it! Why you just keep jumping, huh? What?
Big little man.
Hi, monkey. The two of you, what's wrong? Look at Roxy. Tignan natin anong ginagawa ni Tami at saka Hubs.
Let's come up here. Come on.
Oh my God! He's grabbing it, honey. Oh my God. He loves it, honey. Oh my God, he loves it. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's closing his eyes. Look it closer, guys. He's so cute. Oh my God, he likes it. He's closing his eyes.
I think that's pretty much all that's in there, little man. I think we're
That's
done
it?
with this.
Oh my God.
That was it. That was the last. That's the last
Oh my God.
No more.
Oh my God.
No more. That was...
He said, I'm done. Thank you.
He's not done, but he said it's done. Sorry, little man. That's all it was.
Look at him. Upstairs to get my pajama. Pero bago tayo mag-in, punta muna tayo sa taas. Kukunin natin yung pajama kasi dito ako nag-ubad ganyan sa taas, guys. happened, hon? Yeah? Where is the deer? It's inside the thing? Holy cow. Oh my god, it's freezing outside. Whew, it's cold. The wind. Natakot ako kasi si Tommy sumigaw. Paglabas niya sumigaw. Oh god. My dear, sa loob ng fence, kumakain ng mga pagkain ng ibon. And then si Roxy daw, at saka si Misty. Ay, ginoo ko. Bagong kain, sumakit yung ko dito. Sumakit yung tiyan, sumakit yung Salamat guys sa inyo. Salamat sa panonood ninyo guys. Aray, sumakit talaga siya guys. Oh god. Ito yung pinakaano sa akin kapag after kain. Kapag magalaw ako, sasakit talaga siya. Anyway guys, salamat sa panonood ninyo. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Kita-kits tayo bukas dito guys. Hopefully makabalik kayo. So yun, thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.